What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. This is the first night vlog I've ever done. So tonight we're at a car meet in honor of Tiffany SVX's birthday. So we're here underground right now in a parking structure. I actually really like this place, especially it's the winter time here. Okay, all right. You're gonna rev over me? Okay, all right. Rip. So anyways, we're here underground in this parking structure. It's actually got really good light, and it's pretty warm for it being winter here. Also just a really cool spot. It almost feels like you're in that parking garage of Tokyo Drift. Hopefully a lot more cars show up, but I'll show you who's here already. And as cars rolling, I'll just film until this battery is dead because I've only got about 43%. Alright, there's the birthday girl. The police are here as well. So if you're on probation, I wouldn't hang out here.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Look at this. Someone brought a brand new Series Gray BRZ. Super minty. With those Brembos. Here's Eric's car. You always know it's Eric's car by the stickers. Of course, we got Mr. Bernie here with the neck-breaking pinstripe. Oh, what's up, Edwin? Got a Mustang. And then we got my car. Speaking of neck-breaking pinstripe, where's Ruel's car? Oh, you want to be in the vlog?
Did they give me a
What's
hug?
up? There we go. I'm just gonna leave that in the audio.
It's fine.
Okay, it was Bernie.
That was me that said
was Bernie.
First meet, 2019. Let's go. Gay as fuck.
Touching dicks.
It's 2019. We can touch dicks if we want to.
No.
Yeah, fuck you, Jennifer.
This is Alien STI, bro. This ain't Jennifer.
Fuck you, Jennifer.
What's up, Big Mike? Got Brian's car. Haven't seen this guy in a while. He's got that little wing. I don't know if you can see it back there, but yeah, here's some nice pinstriping. Best pinstripe. It's in the running. Best pinstripe. Either this one or Bernie's.
Most, not best, just most.
Most.
Actually, no, Bernie might. In pure yardage of pinstripe, Bernie might have me beat. I'm not sure though. What do you think?
Is yours longer?
Pure lane. Hey, real quick. Who do you think is longer? Yours or mine? Pure footage of pinstripe.
Oh, I was gonna say yours. But I was talking about penis sizes.
I mean,
So all in all, I have 300 feet.
on your car?
Yeah, on my car. I use 200 feet.
Yeah, there's no way. I use 3 different widths.
So you may have them on girth.
So
And here are the cars of all the people I don't know. That's okay. They're still sick. Still dope ass cars.
I mean, as if his other car wasn't cool enough.
Right? Oh shit, you'll be in his vlog, but you won't be in mine? That's fucked up.
Man,
That kid has a sick S2K.
Fucking cool. There it is. White with black fucking carbon accents and shit. And Big Wang Gang. Look at this fucking diffuser. That's the guy that was fucking rapping at his camera.
And it's molded. It's wild, dude.
I'm running a little rich.
Rip burritos.
You get down, Bill?
Yeah.
You get on camera?
Yeah.
Hey, you rapped it too hard.
That's how fast my car is, yo. I steer to the left, then just to the right, cause you know you left. And this car looking super gay. You already know that's how we sway. You know I lay heat. I'm with the fucking B. I don't need a cheat sheet right from the dome. I got an ill flow. I'm blowing all the drone. You know me and all my time's going real slow.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, bro. Fire, bro. Fire emoji here.
Shout out to SoundCloud.
Yeah, yo. What's your Instagram, bro?
Justin Lee, the homie, coming from the streets. Alright, you want me to show you something? You want me to show you something?
I don't know. You gotta rap. You gotta tell us your Instagram.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Justin Lee, the homie. Not your homie, not yet. You have to earn some rapport with me.
Oh shit. Okay. I gotta get some clout before I'm homies with this dude.
That's right.
Oh, flow so mysterious. I'm feeling like Fast and Furious, chilling in this fucking parking lot. Me and all my homies, we been looking super hot. We got the dope frizz, we be looking like Crips. We all wear red. I'm chilling in my bed. Just last night, I got fucking head from my boy Kyle. Come on, be closer. You already know I go single file. I'm chilling in the line. I'm in my fucking grind. You know you can find me at Denny's, hustling, cleaning in the bath, doing all the crack. I'm chilling on the blacktop, chilling by the crack spot. Yeah, my S2000, built not bought. Started from the ground and I'm finna get shot. Wearing all the red, I need to get ahead. From my boy Kyle, I be going single file. Y'all already know I got ill style. Me and all my children be looking like child. I got a red grip, I'm busting hollow tips. Me and all my homies, we be taking cutting sips. I do a kick flip, this shit super lit. I got a Tacoma, real got a Homa. I'm gonna go to my favorite show. I'm feeling really good. I need to get head and I bust a 9 lead. 9 mils of lead, .45. You already know me and all my homies high.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta show 'em. We were dancing behind you. We're hype guys now. Whoever Kyle is not gonna be stoked though. The homie Kyle.
Alright, I don't think we're gonna top that for the rest of the night, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, bro. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow my boy here on Instagram.
Or if you got a fucking JZX 100 with a broken HKS, it goes, what?
That's it, guys. Happy birthday, Tiffany.